So you might be in a situation where for some reason your games are just not loading or showing up on your MetaQuest 3S. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why something like this ends up happening is maybe because you haven't downloaded the games yet. So what I'd recommend doing is going inside of your MetaQuest store. So going inside of the store portion of your MetaQuest and then basically going through and seeing if you can actually go through and download those games. So try re-downloading those games. If you verify to yourself that those games have been downloaded but they're still not loading up, the next thing I'd probably recommend doing is to restart your headset. So to basically go through and essentially find this button right here and restart it. So hold this button down to completely restart it, give it 30 seconds, then go ahead and hold it down again for another 30 seconds and power back on. This is by far probably the most important thing you're probably going to end up doing here. So hold down this button for 30 seconds and let it power off, hold it down again for another 30 seconds, let it power on, and you want to see if those games populate. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing the problem for you as well, and that might end up doing it for you too. So try checking that out, that might end up fixing it for you. If that's still not working, you may want to see if you can update your MetaQuest headset. What you want to do here is you basically want to go ahead and make your way over to your MetaQuest settings. Go ahead and see and try to find that software update panel, so try to find that. And then all you're going to have to do there is basically update your headset. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing here. And like I said, for a lot of people, things like that might end up fixing it, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.